We built everything from a single line, now the big sounding leap, neural networks, and here's the reassuring truth. It's a much smaller step than the name suggests. Start with one neuron. A neuron is just a tiny version of what we've already done. Take a few numbers in, weight them, add them up, and pass one number out. That's it, a little formula. Now wire lots of them together in layers. The outputs of one layer feed into the next. An input layer where the data comes in, some hidden layers in the middle, and an output layer that gives the answer. Why stack layers? Because each layer catches something. On an image, early layers notice edges, later layers notice shapes, and the last ones recognize whole objects. Together they handle things far too messy for a single formula. And what's inside all those connections? The very same thing as before. Weights. Millions of them, one per connection. Training is still just nudging those weights to shrink the error. Nothing new under the hood. Here's it working. Show the network a photo. The output layer lights up 0.9 for truck, almost nothing for everything else. So we say, with high confidence, that's a truck. And where are all those layer weights stored? As tensors. That word we planted a few episodes ago, finally paying off. A neural network is a big stack of weight tensors.
So a neural network is really just lots of little lines stacked.
Beautifully put. Lots of tiny formulas wired together and tuned by the very same roll downhill trick. That's the foundations. You now genuinely understand what machine learning is. Next season, we go hands-on. Neural nets from a real business problem, how LLMs work, running models on your own laptop, and more. See you there.